7 AM, we were up and ready for our private transfer from Antigua to San Jose Caldera. We met our new hiking buddies and arrived at tour guide Elvin's family home, ready to enjoy a traditional breakfast cooked by his mother. By 9, we were taking a group picture and getting motivated to begin the trek from an altitude of 2,400 meters. We walked up a bit more, pretended it was easy, which it really wasn't. By 12, we stopped for a break and had lunch, and then pushed on and kept heading up until we arrived at base camp at 2 PM at an altitude of 3,600 meters and got to see Fuego erupt for the first time. We relaxed at base camp for a while and then took the optional trek to the base of Volcano Fuego. This is where it started getting hard. When we got to the ridge, you can see 6 different volcanoes, all in different directions. It was incredible. But then the clouds rolled in, and fast. We could barely see 2 meters in front of us, so we headed back to base camp. We got back to camp at 7 PM. We were all dead, so we had dinner around the fire and then went straight to sleep. Then in the middle of the night at 3:45, we got the wake-up call to start hiking up Acatenango. The walk-up was grueling, but we had this for a view. We got to the summit at 6 AM at an altitude of almost 4,000 meters and watched sunrise over the volcanoes. Then at 7:30 we started the descent back down to base camp. The way down was faster than the way up, I can tell you that. And we got back down to camp by 8 for a quick breakfast, and then we got the hell out of there. By 11:30 we were down the mountain, celebrating finishing the hike and ready to relax for the day in Antigua.